Hola clase, today you're going to be doing a speaking assignment. For the first part of this video, I'm going to explain what's on the assignment. The second part of the video, I'm going to explain how you're going to do this assignment. So first of all, just a little reminder. If I were to ask you the question, ¿Qué te gusta comer para el desayuno? You would need to answer the question for yourself. So meaning you wouldn't say, ¿Te gusta comer? Whatever you'd like to eat. So how do you do that? We don't use yo when we're using gustar. Instead, we use the indirect object pronoun me. So I would answer the question with me gustan los huevos para el desayuno. So just make sure that when I ask you a question that you are answering for yourself and using that correct pronoun. All right, now for the second part of the video. Today you're going to do your speaking assignment on an app called Flipgrid. This app is located in the app portal and you will need to download it. Again, it is called Flipgrid. Right here are the instructions. Once you get it downloaded, I will have a code. I'm going to send you all a link. You may or may not be able to use that link to record, but if you cannot, you are going to need to download the app from the app portal. But I'll go through the instructions here with you. If you have issues with this tomorrow, just let me know and I'll be able to help walk you through it. So the first thing you'll need to do is to enter the flip code that I will give you. Every class has a different code, so you need to make sure you use the one that I have posted in Google Classroom for your class. Make sure that you sign in then with your Western email, and that will work just fine. Then when you go on to record the video, so there'll be one link there for you to click. It'll be a picture of me, and I have a video there where I'm asking you 3 different questions. Right here underneath where it says recording a video, these are the instructions that you can use to record yourself. Again, you'll need to do that in order to get a speaking grade. So here's the instructions for that. So there's a little camera icon and you're going to tap that to record. So you can record your answers. I will have the questions there on the screen as well. So you'll hear me saying them, but you'll also see them. But just make sure that you are responding to each one in a complete sentence in Spanish. After you are done recording, you will press stop and then you can review your video and you can make any changes, redo it, whatever you need to do. It is going to ask you to take a selfie. That's just to help know who sent the video, and that'll make me a little happier that I get to see all of you guys. And then finally, then you'll submit your video. So there won't be a spot on Google Classroom to submit your video, but you will submit it through Flipgrid and I will be able to see it there. If you have questions on whether something's submitted, just shoot me a really quick email and I'll be able to tell you really fast if it's submitted or not. Again, if you have issues with this tomorrow, just let me know, or today, sorry, just let me know and we'll work through it. If you need anything, you can always email me. I hope you're all staying safe. Have a great day.